Induspac is part of SPG, Specialized Packaging Group, opening its first site in Montreal, Canada in 1977, providing engineered protective packaging solutions to multinational telecommunications, aerospace, military, automotive, and medical OEMs. Induspac Mexico currently has 5 manufacturing facilities: Ciudad Juárez, Chihuahua, Matamoros, Guadalajara, Salamanca. Each site is equipped with an experienced operations and sales team, manufacturing, design, warehousing, and delivery capabilities. The process of creating a concept that perfectly suits your needs begins with a full analysis of your product by our experienced and knowledgeable sales team. Aspects they will consider include fragility, your cost objectives, environmental concerns, reusability, mode of transport, and desired client experience. From this analysis, our design team creates a cost-effective, customized packaging concept that they believe will meet your needs. Once the design concept has been completed, we then produce a physical sample using our state-of-the-art CAD sample maker. The sample is reviewed internally and, once approved, submitted to you for form, fit, and functional analysis. This is a very important part of the process from concept to reality. It sets the stage for success or failure in the field, and one that we take great care in completing. Many of our conversion techniques for foams and corrugated materials require cutting dies. To ensure quality and consistency in our conversion processes, we choose to invest in our own tool-making capabilities. This capability guarantees consistency from concept to manufacture because we use the same file to produce the tooling as we did to make your sample. This unique capability also allows us to considerably reduce new product lead times to market, and it improves our ability to accommodate those unforeseen urgent requirements we all face from time to time. Our production floor layout is designed to process products in a logical manner, from conversion of all subcomponents to the assembly of the final part. Our equipment is capable of producing product in the specific quantities you require. Within the same facility, we control the core conversion processes capable of producing the components required to supply world-class protective packaging concepts for your specific products. Printer slotters for conventional carton production. Rotary die cutters for more intricate setup cartons, cell dividers, and protective inserts. ESD coating for static sensitive applications. Polyethylene and polyurethane foam conversion equipment. Wood crating and customized pallet manufacturing. Rigid and flexible returnable packaging design, conversion, and assembly. Corrugated plastic outer totes with non-woven laminated cell dividers, EVA foam interiors, flexible and rigid lids. Large bulk collapsible containers with flexible zone interiors, EVA and polyethylene protective inserts. Mobile, rigid, and collapsible steel frames with flexible and fixed interiors. EVA, polyethylene, and cross-link water jet cutting for automotive and electronics returnable container application. Flexible packaging systems for automotive and electronics returnable and reusable systems. Kitting, assembly, and product integration processes allowing parts to go directly to your manufacturing floor ready to use. No more internal allocation of multiple pallets with component inventory blocking your assembly operations. Inventory management programs we offer include SMI, VMI, and JIT services. Imagine inventory kitted and ready to go with multiple daily deliveries per day or per shift, allowing you to maximize your production floor for revenue-generating activities and not for storage of raw materials. Customized customer-focused packaging solutions and programs is our #1 objective as a supplier. Most important is our commitment to quality and ingenuity. Our Mexican facilities are certified ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001. We have designed our business model to provide specific customized packaging and supply programs governed by a comprehensive quality program that will ensure that we are an asset to your organization and a partner for the future. Our longer-term plans include adding 1 new location per until 2021. Sites that are being considered at this time are Aguascalientes, San Luis Potosí, Nuevo Laredo, Tijuana, Nogales, and Mérida. We have experience across many industries. Our distinguished customer listing is as follows: Bombardier, Cisco, Delphi, Flextronics, Ford, GM, Hella, Honda, IBM, Intiva, Jabil, Magna, Mahler, Mizuho Ozi, Nokia, Sanmina SCI, Seagate. We look forward to exploring the opportunity to be your partner for protective packaging products and design. Please visit our webpage, or you can contact any of our sales representatives. They are very experienced and knowledgeable and ready to assist you with all of your packaging needs.